Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by a new company named WigsGal. But before I get started on all the details, guys, you already know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, turn those notifications on because you don't want to miss out on any of my videos. The unit that I'm showing you guys is their 5x5 HD wavy wig. This one is in the length 18 inches and it states on the website that this is 180% in density. Now on this unit, the front of the hairline is already pre-bleached for you and the knots are really small, and then you do get a nice pre-plucked hairline. This unit did come with the removable elastic band, but I'm not going to put that on. I am going to be wearing my wig grip because I do want to rock this glueless. I don't want to have to worry about any type of spray or anything, and I know that this is going to be in place and not be uncomfortable on my head. And I also did wash my unit. You do not have to wash your unit because it does come with these nice barrel curls, but I wanted to wash mine and kind of set it on the right side. Now it does come in like a slight side part, but I wanted my part to be a little bit curved. So now I'm gonna work on just cutting off this HD lace. This is a thin, nice Swiss lace, and you guys can already see how well it is blending into my skin, and I don't have any type of adhesive on, so just look how well it is going to melt in. Yes, I was feeling it. So I know I wanted a little bit something extra on the side, so yes, I am gonna create a little swoopity swoop. I am going to be using my She Is Bomb Fuse Foam to swoop that hair into place and kind of mold it. And then I am going to end up setting it into place so that it can stay. The good thing about this Fuse Foam is that for me, it gives a really good hold without having to commit to any type of adhesive or any type of glue. So I do highly recommend this. I don't want to be heavy-handed when it comes to this foam, just because if you are and you put different products in the hair, it can start to flake up, and it's something that you don't want it to do. So once I'm happy with the way that everything is set in the front, I am going to use a wig grip and I am going to tie the front down, and then I will begin to work on curling this hair. So taking my wand curler, I'm gonna just add some really quick loose curls in this. And then I also am gonna go in the front area before I start to curl the bang part. I'm going to go in and cut some layers throughout the front because I want it to come off just having some really nice layers in the bang. I could have went up a little bit higher and cut a little bit more, but it still came out really fine. Now, of course, you can wear this unit in its natural state after washing it. It did have a nice wave pattern to it. I didn't put any extra products in it to define it, but I still like the loose wave that it gave off. So if you just wanted to kind of throw this unit on and add a little bit of serum in it, I think you will be good to go. Did go off of camera and finish curling off the rest of this unit. Now I'm going to just take this wig grip off, and then I'm going to use that edge brush and just kind of brush throughout those hairs because I really want them to look nice and soft. And then I'm going to take some wax stick and go around the hairline, also at the top area, and then I'm going to go in with my hot comb and just kind of press everything out because I want this to lay down really flat and nice and sleek. The parting space area on this unit was pretty tight, so I am going to take my powder and go in and just kind of make it look a little bit more natural and scalp-like. I want it to come to life just like the front of the hairline is, and then I am going to go and put a little bit of powder around that hairline area also, just to kind of brighten it up and make it match my skin tone a little bit better. Then I'm going to go in with my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and this is always my favorite part when I curl my hair, and that's to run my fingers throughout the curls just because I always want to see exactly how it's going to fall. And as you guys can see, it's definitely doing a good job. This serum is going to help protect the hair against any type of frizziness and flyaways. And I definitely had to focus on the ends of the hair because they were coming off a little bit dry and frizzy. This is the final look of this closure unit. I think it's really pretty. I do feel like the curls on this just kind of made it look like it had a lot more volume to it because it definitely lays really flat. Now I do feel like this unit would be perfect for somebody who does not like a lot of density, but they still want it to look really natural, because this unit states it is 180%, and I definitely don't feel like it's 180% at all, but it's not super thin. It's still going to come off looking very realistic. So the HD lace on this unit looks really good. They go ahead and pre-bleach the front of the lace for you. You can go and finish off the rest of the lace if you would like, but I didn't do it, and it still came out looking good once I put the powder on. And you don't have to wear it with any type of glue, so this is truly a glueless unit. Unit, I did not receive a lot of shedding, and then I really didn't get a lot of tangling, but I did notice the hair was a little bit frizzy towards the ends. So guys, let me know what you think about this unit. This is definitely beginner friendly. If you are feeling it, I'm gonna make sure to leave all the details down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.